Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Dext Prepare, Receipt Bank, Review My Usage Experience. Dext Prepare, Receipt Bank, Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined solution for managing receipts and expenses, primarily targeting freelancers, small business owners, and accountants. It automates the process of extracting data from receipts, organizing them, and exporting them for accounting purposes. Key features include optical character recognition, OCR, for receipt scanning, categorization, and integration with accounting software. Their website provides details on specific integrations and pricing plans. Dext Prepare positions itself as a time-saving tool that eliminates manual data entry. They highlight ease of use and claim no hidden fees, though pricing varies based on usage. The service uses advanced OCR technology to accurately extract information from receipts. Availability is global, though specific features might vary by region. You can check their website for details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Dext Prepare. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was intuitive, guiding me through connecting my email accounts and setting up my preferences. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. I particularly like the drag-and-drop functionality for categorizing receipts. I uploaded a batch of receipts, a mix of scanned images and photos from my phone, and the OCR worked surprisingly well, accurately extracting almost all the relevant data. There were a couple of instances where it misidentified a vendor, but manual correction was quick and easy. The speed was impressive, processing a large batch took only a few minutes. I had a quick question about exporting data to Xero, and their support responded within a day via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the automated categorization. It saved me a huge amount of time. One minor drawback was the slight learning curve with the advanced features, like custom tagging. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Dext Prepare. It significantly simplified my expense tracking, and I definitely recommend it to anyone looking to streamline their bookkeeping. That's my overview of Dext Prepare, Receipt Bank, Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.